guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Ifyok and I'm the owner and founder of MAD Collection, which is an online women's clothing and men and children's brand. Link madcollection.com will be somewhere on the screen here. So let's get right into the video. So a few months ago, I think it was back in April, I ordered this MAD Collection LED light, and that's what it looks like. Because I was in a fashion show and I wanted it to be on the stage, but this guy did not arrive on time. It arrived after the show because there was an issue with the postage and whatnot, so I got a backup which just had MAD. So I am just gonna try and fix this today, and I just thought I would record it so we can see how this whole process goes. So I'm just gonna empty this chair. So this would be my ladder. I've got like a proper ladder to stand on, but I can't be bothered going to grab it, and I think this would be quite sturdy enough and it's not too high to carry my weight. I've also got this double-sided sticker tape. Now, because of how the wall is, you can't really nail things on, so this will be coming in useful. So let's do this together. So first things first, I've got camera for this place as well, so I'll be connecting the camera first and then I'll do this one. I don't know if this thing is strong enough to carry the weight of this guy, but we're just about to find out. I'll use 3 and see if it works. Oh, wish me luck. Find the midpoints. It's got like a drill thing, like a hole, I can actually drill stuff on, but we're not drilling anything today. Oh, I'm quite excited to see if this works. Quite excited to see if this works. Oh, okay, so we've opened the third one. Now is results time. Ooh, that's quite stuck on there. I'll just put 2 more. I'm gonna put this 2 because this thing is quite heavy and I don't want any surprises, like if you close the door and it affects . Oh, this sticky thing is such a fantastic idea. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm just gonna plug both of them to the wall and see. Ta-da! I actually quite like this, but these cables, I don't know, is looking dangerous, so I'm just gonna stick them up to the wall. I love it. I love it. I love it. Hello there. Hello, this is my collection. Hi. Have you checked out our website? It's medcollection.com, and we've got a Medi collection. To think I've had this sat here for so long and it's just been collecting dust, and now it's been put to good use. I just need to turn it off when it's not in use because we're not wasting any electricity around here. Okay guys, so thanks for staying till the end to watch me putting this bad guy up, and remember to like, share, subscribe if you're not already done so, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.